Relationship managers are at the heart of client engagement, but their journey is far from simple. They face a maze of challenges, from navigating complex internal systems to juggling multiple client portfolios, to responding to a wide range of customer needs, often with limited time and fragmented information. The result? Delays in resolution, missed opportunities, and a dip in customer satisfaction. It's clear, RMs need more than just tools. They need intelligent support. Introducing RM Assist, EXL's Gen AI-powered solution designed to transform the RM experience. Built on an Agentic AI framework, RM Assist acts as a digital co-pilot, providing quick access to accurate information, streamlining workflows, automating tasks, and delivering personalized responses. This isn't just another tool, it's an intelligent assistant that understands context, provides relevant information, takes action, and helps RMs focus on what matters most: building relationships. So how does RM Assist work? It starts with a simple query from the relationship manager typed into the chat interface. The query is then transmitted to the back-end systems, where advanced language models, LLM, identify the intent behind the request. Based on the identified intent, the system determines the relevant data sources needed to address the query. Next, the appropriate flow is identified to retrieve the necessary information. The flow goes through the Retrieval Augmented Generation module, which retrieves relevant information from structured and unstructured data, reasons over it, and synthesizes an accurate response. If any downstream action is required, a task is created using a task agent. Finally, the generated response is displayed on the chat interface for the relationship manager. Whether it's preparing for a client meeting, resolving a billing issue, or summarizing account activity, RM Assist delivers the right information at the right time in the right format while constantly improving. Let's see how RM Assist handles the query. As the last month of the quarter begins, a relationship manager is under pressure to meet his target for upgrading credit cards. He is looking for quick information on the company's criteria to identify eligible customers and understand the current number of upgrades achieved overall. This is RM Assist chat interface. The query is transmitted to the back-end systems, where advanced language models identify the intent behind the request. Based on the identified intent, the system determines the relevant data sources needed to address the query. Intent identification determines the query intent and identifies card issues organization policy Word document placed at the central data repository. The system maps out the appropriate flow to retrieve the necessary information. It identifies the card issuance policy document from central data repository and further identifies the card upgrades and eligibility section. Solution identifies the right section. In this case, card upgrades from the Card Issuance Organization Policy Word document and look for eligibility information to address the Relationship Manager query. The flow goes through the Retrieval Augmented Generation module to access and retrieve data from identified document source. RAG module triggered and data retrieval initiated from Card Upgrades section of the Card Issuance Organization Policy Word document. Using generative AI, the retrieved data is processed and synthesized into a coherent response. Data retrieval from the identified section and Gen AI model, processing the retrieved information and response generated. It also provides the link to the detailed document for further information. The relationship manager now has the right information to proceed with client upgrades, ensuring efficient and personalized service. The impact? It's powerful. First, enhanced efficiency, quick access to relevant information, and automated routine tasks, freeing up valuable time. Second, Improved accuracy responses are consistent, data-driven, and up-to-date. Third, better client engagement with faster, more personalized interactions that build trust. Fourth, increased productivity. RMs can focus on strategic conversations, not system navigation. And finally, Scalability RM Assist integrates seamlessly with existing infrastructure and evolves with your business. With RM Assist, relationship managers are no longer burdened by complexity. They're empowered by intelligence. They can serve clients faster, smarter, and more personally than ever before. This isn't just the future of relationship management. It's the future of client experience. RM Assist, empower RMs, delight clients, drive growth.